The supply chain issues, we're already seeing local railroaders are threatening to strike. Workers at BNSF Railway in Fort Worth say they're upset about a new attendance policy that would penalize them just for missing work. Chris Sadeghi is with us outside the Tarrant County Courthouse. Okay, Chris, we should know before the end of the day whether a judge will block those workers from striking. This could have big consequences.
Yes, Kara, this is a case of worker shortages and supply chain shortages meeting head on. And the federal judge is expected to have a decision by the end of the day. That decision could have a huge impact. There are two unions that represent 17,000 workers for Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railways, and they're threatening a February 1st strike over a new attendance policy. The policy is a point system that docks workers a certain amount of points for missing work depending on the day. They can earn points back by working 14 straight days, but will face discipline if they ever run out of points. BNSF, based in Fort Worth, said the new policy is to ensure they have enough available workers, and they filed a lawsuit in federal court to block the possible strike, saying it would have deep-reaching economic impacts and supply chain disruption. But protesters outside the federal courthouse in Fort Worth Monday say the policy is dangerous and pressures workers to work when they could be sick or not ready and able.
We don't want to strike, I know that. Nobody wants that. We want the policy to be looked at.
They're going to miss signals, they're going to fall asleep, they're not going to be alert. That's a big deal.
And BNSF did release a statement saying that this policy is permitted based on past practice and also legal precedent, but also added they hope to have a resolution outside of the lawsuit. They also said even a short strike could have a big economic impact. Mark, back to you.